Creating reports in Microsoft Dynamics 365 is straightforward and helps you analyze data effectively. Here's how to create reports in just a few steps. Access the reporting module. Log into Dynamics 365 and navigate to the reports area from the main dashboard. This section contains both built-in reports and options to create new ones. Choose report type. Click on New Report to start. You can select from different report types, including tabular, matrix, chart, or dashboard, depending on your needs. Select data source. Choose the entity you want to report on. This will define the data you'll be working with. Design the report. Use the report wizard to customize your report. Select the fields you want to display, set filters to narrow down the data, and define sorting options. You can also group data for better insights. Preview and save. After designing your report, preview it to ensure it displays the data as expected. Make any necessary adjustments, then save the report. Run and share the report. You can run the report on demand or schedule it to be sent out regularly. Reports can be exported in various formats, including Excel and PDF for easy sharing.